HearLink is a Bluetooth transmitter that connects directly to the sound output on most standard TVs and other audio devices. When you open the box, in the top compartment you will find the HearLink user guide and HearLink itself. In the bottom compartment of the box, you will find two types of audio source connections: the RCA cable and the 3.5mm aux cable. And of course, there is a USB charging cable as well. HearLink has only one button called the MFB for multifunction button, which controls the unit. Circling the MFB is the LED indicator. On the side of the HearLink, you'll find the audio input jack and the micro USB charging port. The user guide contains product information, specifications, and operating instructions. That's it for the unboxing. For operating instructions, watch the next video in this series. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.